Dr. Karuna, Senior Researcher Education, and Dr. Lakshmi B M, Senior Faculty Teacher Education, represented Prayoga and participated at the Foundations of Ethical AI workshop, organized by IIIT Hyderabad from 16th to 19th June 2026. The immersive program brought together students, researchers, and practitioners to explore the principles and practices of building responsible and ethical AI systems. Discussions ranged from AI governance policies for educational institutions to thinking beyond today's AI. These insights are particularly valuable as Prayoga continues to strengthen Kriya, ensuring that AI is integrated thoughtfully, responsibly, and with learners and educators at the center. And there was an unexpected highlight to the journey. They ran into renowned sculptor Arun Yogiraj, whose craftsmanship has inspired millions. A journey filled with learning, meaningful conversations, and memorable encounters.